Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to help you find out the Lewis structure of CH4O. And to start with it, we first need to know the number of valence electrons for this molecule. We have one carbon atom over here, which means 4 valence electrons, 4 hydrogen atoms over here, again 4 valence electrons, and we have one oxygen atom over here, which means 6 valence electrons. So in total, we have 14 valence electrons for this molecule. Now this molecule is different than all the other molecules because there are 3 possible structures for it, and I'm going to draw all 3 of them to give you a better idea. So we have this first structure over here in which there are no lone pairs on the carbon atom, and every atom in this molecule has a complete octet. When you move to this molecule, there are lone pairs of electrons on carbon atom and there are 2 lone pairs of there. And when you come to this structure, we also have lone pair on oxygen atom as well as carbon atom. Okay, so these are the 3 possibilities you can go with. Now you might wonder how to figure out which one is the relevant and the accepted Lewis structure that we often use. To find out that, you can use the formula of formal charges and find out the formal charges of the atoms in these molecules. Whenever there's a situation like this, we always opt for finding out the formal charges, and we go with the structure in which the atoms have formal charges as close to 0 as possible. So if you calculate the formal charges for the molecule, you will get some of these formal charges like this. So in this molecule, the carbon atom will have a charge of -2 and the oxygen will have a charge of +2. Now if you know, oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon atom, so it should have the negative charge and not the carbon atom. So we are going to rule out this possibility completely because we often try to go with the structures in which charges are as close to 0. So we are going to rule this out. The second structure is this, in which we have a +1 charge on carbon atom and a -1 charge on the oxygen atom. This still makes sense because oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon atom. However, we can give it a pass if we have formal charges of 0 on this atom, on this molecule. So when you look at the formal charges of atoms in this molecule, the formal charges are 0 for both carbon and oxygen atom, which makes more sense, and hence we are going to go ahead with this molecule and with this Lewis structure. So this is the Lewis structure for CH4O, in which carbon is forming three single bonds with hydrogen atom, 1 single bond with oxygen atom, and oxygen atom is also forming a bond with hydrogen atom. I hope this video helps you to understand that, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.